Hey yo, what's poppin', you guys? It's your man Ricky David. I'm back at it again. So today we're gonna do sublimation. So I'm gonna do it on a toddler t-shirt, but this one is cotton. So we've been doing all sublimation prints, but right now we're doing a toddler cotton. Let's see if it works. So let's get it, guys. So we got it on the press, the toddler shirt. This is cotton, like we said. We're gonna go ahead and here's our butcher paper. We're gonna go ahead and put it on there, and then we're gonna press it. Let's get it. Yo, so as you can tell, this here is not as vibrant as we did for the polyesters. So like they said, can you do it on cotton? The answer is yes and no, right? So
yes!
In order to really do it, you probably have to put like a white base with white vinyl or something like that to be an under layer, to be an under base. So in the midst of it, that's the end result, guys. So that you've seen it on cotton, you're also gonna see it on polyester in this video. So you wanna say, what do you wanna say to the camera? Say, make sure you guys subscribe.
Yes.
Say subscribe.
Say subscribe.
Comment below.
Comment below.
Like this video.
Like this video. Make it subscribe.
You guys heard it. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video for more tips from you guys in order to help me continuously for the sublimation.
Snowman. We're doing today. We're gonna play Roblox tomorrow.
Roblox. That's where we're going to head right now. So right now, you see it said end results. It's a yes and no answer when it comes to sublimation on cotton tees. It's your man Ricky David. House of Dreamers, guys. God bless you all. Entrepreneurs, small business owners. Let's get it.